Hello everybody. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing fine, right? Okay, thank you. And first of all, I welcome you all to my channel Max My Heartbeat. I hope everyone is following my videos and learning mathematics and having a little bit of improvement in your knowledge about mathematics. Okay, thank you. And before going to start our today's class, let me inform you again about the precautions of COVID-19, which are must and should to get rid of COVID-19 nowadays. Those are: wear a mask when you go outside and use sanitizer when you touch the things of others, so that we may get rid of COVID-19 as much as possible. Okay, those are the very important instructions from my side, and I hope you will follow. So let us continue our class with the chapter real numbers. And in real numbers, I have explained what are irrational numbers, because I said that you will get one 4 marks problem related to irrational numbers. So in that exercise 1.4, I have explained first Roman, first one and fourth one, but still 3 are remaining. In that again 2 I will explain in today's class. Only 1 will be left, that I will leave for you to do on your own, so that you can practice and learn the subject well. Okay, so let us continue our exercise 1.4, first problem, second one, that is root 3 plus root 5. So now we have to, okay, this is the second Roman in first problem in your maths textbook. Okay, so now let us prove that root 3 plus root 5 is also irrational. For that sake, what I will do means, first I will take, instead of taking this as irrational, I am taking this as rational. So root 3 plus root 5 is equal to a by b, where a comma b are integers, comma b not equal to 0. Okay, means I am assuming that root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Okay, so this is the formula for rational number, that is a by b, where a comma b are integers, b not equal to 0. Okay, so now this implies root 3 plus root 5 is rational. Okay, so if this is rational, so then again root 3 plus root 5 is equal to a by b. Okay, now what I will do means, I will keep root 5 this side only and take root 3 to that side, if not root 5 to that side, anyhow. Okay, root 5 only I will take that side. Root 3 is equal to a by b plus root 5 becomes minus root 5. Okay, now what I will do means, I will take squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So now this becomes root 3 whole square is equal to a by b minus root 5 whole square. Okay, so here square root gets cancelled, 3 is equal to a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab, 2 into a by b into root 5 plus root 5 whole square. Okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. So here also square root gets cancelled, but here 3 is equal to a square by b square minus 2 times of a by b into root 5 plus 5. Okay, so now what I will do means, I will take this to this side and this to that side. Okay, so I am left with 2 times of a by b into root 5 is equal to, is nothing but 2a by b root 5 is equal to, so here a square by b square plus 5 plus 3 becomes minus 3. Okay, so now again 2a by b root 5 is equal to a square plus b square plus 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, up to here everybody understood? Now I am erasing this first side. Anyone want to note down, means note down. Yes. So now I am erasing this. Why? Because code is not sufficient for me. So here, up to here everybody understood? No? No one has any doubt? Yes. So let me continue from here. 2a by b root 5 is equal to, take the LCM from here now. So a square plus 2b square by b square. Okay? Up to here everybody understood? No? So now what I will do means I will keep this root 5 like that only. So root 5 is equal to a square plus 2b square by b square. This into becomes divided by, right? Divided by means that will be reciprocal in that side. Yes, from left side to right side when we shift, then this becomes the reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal? B by 2a. Okay? So here b and square gets cancelled. So root 5 is equal to a square plus 2b square by 2a into b is 2ab. Yes? So when we clearly see that a square plus 2b square by 2ab, here a comma b are integers, then definitely this becomes rational number, right? A square plus 2b square by 2ab is a rational number, but root 5 is irrational. Yes, therefore our assumption that root 3 plus root 5 is rational is wrong. Therefore root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. This is how we have to prove first problem. Understood everybody? That is first Roman, second one in our exercise 1.4. Okay? I hope everyone understood. Practice this problem. Very very important. 4 marks problem. This type of problems only you will get in real numbers chapter. Clear? That's why I am explaining this much clearly. So next one more we'll do. Fifth one, sixth. So that third one you can do on your own by seeing the fifth one. Okay? So let me erase and do fifth one now. So first Roman, fifth one, 3 plus 2 root 5. Okay? So now so again let 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Okay, I am taking 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. So that becomes 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to a by b, where a comma b are integers, comma b not equal to 0. Okay, this is the condition. So again from this I will get 2 root 5 is equal to a by b plus 3 becomes minus 3. Yes. So now if I take squaring on both sides, wait, no need of squaring on both sides. Just simplify this. Again that will be a rational number. No need of squaring on both sides. Let's just listen. Just simplify this 2 root 5. Yes. So 2 root 5 is equal to, so this b becomes multiplied here. So a minus 3b by b. Okay. So this implies 2 root 5 is equal to a minus 3b by b. This implies root 5 is equal to a minus 3b by, here numerator is there, this becomes denominator, so 2b. Yes, so here a, b are integers, that's why a minus 3b by 2b is a rational number, right? What is a minus 3b by 2b? That is a rational number. Why? Because a is an integer and b is an integer here. Yes, when we substitute any integer here, we will get definitely a rational number. But here this is equal to root 5. What is root 5 here? Irrational. But root 5 is irrational number, right? Therefore, our assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational is wrong. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Understood? Like this we have to do. In this, no need of squaring of both sides. Why? Because anyhow here root 5 is there directly. Yes, so root 5 value we are finding that as rational number, but we already know that root 5 is irrational. Rational cannot be equal to irrational. That's why our assumption is wrong. 3 plus 2 root 2 is a irrational number. Clear? So students, these are the two remaining important leftover problems in the exercise 1.4. I hope everybody understood all the problems. If anyone has any doubt, please mention in the comment section and practice these problems. Very very important 4 marks problems in real numbers. I hope you will follow, and if you really like my videos, share my video to your friends and inform them to subscribe my channel. And that's all for today. Signing off. Take care.